Gerald Stafford here, Fourth Dimension Technologies, a Microsoft authorized provider of instructional skills certification. We are the first, if not the only, to offer MCT certification globally. That means no matter where you're located, if you're seeking to become a Microsoft certified trainer and you have the underlying certification that will qualify for our class, we have a solution available to you. So we're going to talk about the instructional skills certification a little bit. We're going to talk about what Microsoft certified trainers are, who they are, what they represent, and how you can become a Microsoft certified trainer. We'll deal with the requirements because there's always some misinformation in terms of what's needed for entry into the MCT program. We'll then touch on the paths that we offer for those seeking to become Microsoft certified trainer, and then we'll finish it up with our contact information in case you have additional questions. Okay, let's talk about providing Microsoft instructional skills to the global community. Why Fourth Dimension Technologies decided to embark upon this journey. When you look at the MCT certification, even though it is perhaps Microsoft's most prestigious certification, it is not offered on a global scale. And what that means is that those of you that are seeking to become Microsoft certified trainers have a very limited pool of authorized providers to choose from. There are a number of entities in the marketplace who claim that they can provide you with MCT certification. That simply is incorrect. If you want to understand more about who those providers are, you simply can visit Microsoft's website by Googling becoming a MCT. That will take you to Microsoft's website. You will then see a list of all of the providers that can get you certified as a Microsoft certified trainer. There are currently 9 companies that can provide that service. There are an additional 3 companies that's on the list, but those are all internal to the Microsoft corporation themselves. So that means that if you work for Microsoft, you can get it through an internal mechanism. If you don't, then you must get it externally. So we are the first to provide this service from a global perspective because there's a number of candidates that want to become Microsoft certified trainers. They find it very difficult, 1, finding a provider, 2, finding a provider that's geographically located in an area in which they could easily get to, in which they don't have to spend additional costs in terms of travel, food, accommodation, things like that. So we took a look at that, and that's what made us decide that we would offer it to the global community. I'll talk a little bit more about ways in which you can take our classes and our most popular classes as well a little bit later on in the video. So we want to talk about how we help you get there. So first, let's talk about who are Microsoft certified trainers, what they do, and where they fit into the marketplace. Microsoft certified trainers have the sole authority from Microsoft to teach Microsoft technologies and products to the general technology community. So those who hold the Microsoft certified trainer certification are authorized by Microsoft to teach in the education learning partners facilities, as an example, corporations, or any provider of Microsoft training services. Those MCTs have access to a wealth of data and information that I'll probably touch on in a later video. But some of the few things that they get is you get a discounts on books, exams, you get in a voucher for the mouse certification, you get become a part of the Azure Pass program, so you can gain access to the Microsoft platforms, all of the labs, trainer kits, so forth and so on. But Microsoft certified trainers are in fact experts in Microsoft technologies. It is an international based certification. It is recognized worldwide, and you can, in fact, teach on any subject matter in which you are certified in. So that means you must have the underlying certification, and then you can teach that class. So, as an example, if you're certified in Power BI, you can teach the Power BI class to any parties within the Microsoft community. Now let's talk about what the requirements are for entry into the Microsoft MCT program. There's always been misinformation in terms of what the requirements are. Do you need experience as a trainer? No, you don't need experience as a trainer. Will a letter from your employer suffice to get you certified as an MCT? That is no longer the case. That changed in August of 2022. I hold a mouse certification or the Microsoft Office Specialist certification. Do I qualify for the MCT program? No, that is no longer the case as of April 2022. Now, if you hold a master's certification in Office products, those certifications will still qualify. So let's talk about what the requirements are. It's safe to take a premium certification, and what I mean by that is an associate level certification or above, or certifications in the 365 family. That will qualify you to take the class to become a Microsoft certified trainer. You cannot just decide that you want to be a Microsoft certified trainer and you don't have the underlying certification. Someone may sell you that class, but that is a disservice to you, because when you submit your certificate of completion to Microsoft, they will not honor that certificate of completion because you don't have the underlying certification. So you need an underlying certification. You can visit our website, or you can visit Microsoft's website to see a full list of what the underlying certifications are, what certifications qualify. That's primarily what you need, and then you have to take a Microsoft instructional skills class. Doesn't matter if you've been training 15, 20 years and you can get a letter from your employer, that will no longer work. You must take a Microsoft instructional skills class, either from Fourth Dimension Technologies or one of the other approved providers that is on the list at Microsoft's website. What are the paths that Fourth Dimension Technologies offer in order to help you gain MCT certification through our instructional skills class? We have three offerings. The first and probably the most popular is our self-paced course. You must take a final exam when you choose our self-paced course. That final exam consists of 50 questions. You have 2 hours in which to complete the exam, and you must score 65% or above in order to obtain a passing score, and then we will issue your certificate of completion. It is not an easy exam. We've included supplemental videos to help accelerate your career after you finish the course, but you must use the self-paced manual or study guide in order to prepare for the exam itself. That's our most popular course, and students are allowed to take that no matter where they're located geographically. Secondarily, we have a virtual online live instructor-led course that you can also take irrespective of where you're located geographically. You have to check the course schedule on our website to see when a course is available in your time zone. But we offer that course as well, both in the continental United States and from a global perspective. Our last offering is is an in-person course. That in-person course is primarily held in 3 cities currently. That is Baltimore, Maryland, Atlanta, Georgia, and Los Angeles, California. Those are the 3 select cities in which we offer those courses. And if you're in any of those local areas and you require an in-person course because you learn better in person, then that's the course that's available to you. So we have 3 paths. Self-paced, must pass a final exam. Live instructor-led, online, no exam required, offered no matter where you are geographically. In-person class, select cities only, no final exam required. Okay, so how to connect with us or contact us, you can visit our website. That's always the best place to start. The website is https://fdtec.co. Again, that's https:// F as in Frank, D as in David, T as in Thomas, E as in Network, C as in Charlie.co. You can also email us, info@fdtec.co, info@FrankDavidThomasEdwardCharlie.co. And lastly, you can call us and leave a voicemail if no one picks up. Call us at 1-770-800-1853. Again, that's 1-770-800-1853. We are available from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Good luck on becoming a Microsoft Certified Trainer. It is probably the best hidden jewel in the certification industry.